Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add custom fonts to Canva in the simplest way possible. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, there's an important note: you cannot upload custom fonts on Canva's free plan. You need at least Canva Pro. To upgrade, just head over to Plans and Pricing on Canva's website. You'll see options for Free, Pro, and Teams. I recommend choosing Canva Pro for this feature. Once you have Canva Pro, now, open any design on Canva. Click on any text box, then go to the font options at the top of the screen. Scroll down and you'll find an option that says Upload a font. Click on it, and as I mentioned earlier, you'll need Canva Pro for this. Upload your font from your desktop, and you're all set. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.